Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Rilla and welcome to Tracks. This is the home screen of Tracks. Here you see a list of teachers and classes you can enroll in. At the top right, you can see your profile. Tap on that, then you can turn on the sound, look at your critter coins, and edit your critter in the actual game. You can also enter your email and tap Ask for Help to talk to one of our support specialists or log out. You can also tap on your planner and see what kind of classes you are enrolled in. You can tap on badges to see what badges you have earned and what they have unlocked. You can also scroll through and tap on a teacher, select one of the classes, and enroll. Live classes happen at specific times and sometimes have live quizzes, but mostly you'll be watching on-demand classes. All you have to do is press the enroll button and then watch the whole class. Once you've watched that entire class, you'll be rewarded with coins and even potentially unlock new areas in the game. To play with your critter, tap this play button. Once you're here, all you need to do is move your phone around, kind of scanning the area until you see a greenish blue surface appear. Then tap on that greenish blue surface, resize the play area, and then tap. Now you can go explore with your critter and do all sorts of things, visiting different islands, opening up your backpack, opening up the shop, looking at your encyclopedia. You can collect and craft. And if you do get a little visually confused, you can always click that reset area button and reset the play area. You also have tasks to complete, and if you want to go back to Tracks to watch more classes, all you have to do is tap that X button in the top right. Excited to have you play Tracks. Thanks everyone and welcome.
Learning fun facts on Tracks is pretty awesome.